Digestive Diseases. Introduction. The digestive system helps the body digest and absorb the food we eat. Select true or false. Correct. Mark has had diarrhea for 2 weeks. He also has been extremely tired and has no appetite. Should he contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Mark has symptoms that may be caused by a digestive disease. Some foods, such as milk and wheat, can trigger symptoms of certain digestive diseases. Select true or false. Correct. In people with celiac disease, the immune system damages the small intestine when the person eats foods with gluten, such as wheat. Lactose intolerance means the body has trouble digesting foods with lactose in them, such as milk. Some digestive diseases may be treated with lifestyle changes. Select true or false. Correct. Eating smaller meals and avoiding alcohol and certain foods can help treat IBS and GERD. Celiac disease is treated by eating a gluten-free diet. Lactose intolerance is treated by avoiding lactose.
Thank you for using Explain.